I am giving you practice from exercise 5H. Some important question. Just you see. Question number 3 says that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If you get, just differentiate with respect to x. So when you differentiate, so this is constant term. So x square became 2x divided by a square plus 2y divided by dx. 2y divided by dx by b square is equal to 0 because derivative of constant term is 0. So dy by dx we have to make subject. So keep one side, others you can take that side. So dy by y by b square, because 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 we can take common and cancel it. So y by b square dy by dx is equal to minus x by a square, negative 1x by a square. And if you make subject dy by dx, because we have to find out dy by dx, so this part you will send that side. When you send this side, then denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Here you will get y will be denominator and b square will be numerator. So you will get x by y, b square by a square. Negative sign already is there when you have shifted. This is the answer. Question number 5. Question number 5 is very important. X cube plus 8xy plus y cube is equal to 64. Find dy by dx. So here also we will differentiate with respect to x. So 3x, x to the power cube, so derivative of x to the power cube, so 3x square plus 8xy, 8 common xy. Again, we have to go in product rule, d of ub. So x constant, derivative of y, dy by dx, plus y constant, derivative of x is 1. So we have written x dy by dx plus y. 8 is common outside. Plus derivative of x cube is 3x square divided by dx is equal to constant term derivative 0. Now 3x square plus 8xy. Here now we can break the bracket. 8x divided by dx plus 8y plus 3y whole square divided by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx in two places are there, here and here. We can take common. dy by dx. What will remain here? 8x plus 3y square. Rest you can send other side. So 8y and 3x square we can send other side. Negative x, negative 3x cube, x square minus 8y. Minus you can take common, then it will be 3x square plus 8y. And this part again you can send other side. Then you will get dy by dx is equal to negative 3x square plus 8y divided by 8x plus 3y square. So this is the answer. Question number 10. After getting question number 5, then just in between you have to practice. Still you have doubt, you will ask. So which is a little bit more difficult, that one I am doing on the board. So question number 10 again. Question number 10 says that x square plus y square is equal to log xy. So first of all you have to break log xy. You know the formula, log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So here log xy is equal to log x plus log y. This part remains as it is. Now differentiate with respect to x. Then 2x. Here derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y divided by dx is equal to derivative of log x 1 by x plus derivative of log y is 1 by y divided by dx. Here again dy by dx right side and dy by dx left side. So bring left side both, this term and this term. So 2y dy by dx minus 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x minus 2x. Simplify this one, you will get this one. And here again dy by dx take common, 2y minus 1 by y. So if you simplify, you will get this. Then dy by dx is equal to, this part you can send that side, you will get 1 minus 2x square divided by x whole divided by 2y square minus 1 divided by y. So y will go up, denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. And finally dy by dx is, this is the answer. Now I'll explain question number 14 and 16. So question number 14 says that y into under root 1 minus x square plus x root 1 minus y square is equal to 1. Then find dy by dx. So here also we will differentiate with respect to x. So here is product rule, a into b, x into y. So first term when we derive it, so u into v form we have to derive. So first term constant, derivative of second term plus second term constant, derivative of first term. So first term constant here, y is constant, derivative of root 1 minus x square, we are getting 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square, and derivative of 1 minus x square is negative 2x, plus second term constant now, root 1 minus x whole square, root 1 minus x square, and derivative of y is dy by dx. Plus same way we will come here. First term constant, derivative of second term 1 minus root 1 minus 1 y square is 1 by 2 root 1 minus y square, and derivative of 1 minus y square is negative 2y, plus second term constant, now derivative of first term, second term constant 1 minus root 1 minus y square, and derivative of first term x is 1 is equal to 0 because derivative of constant term is 0. Now when dy by dx is here, dy by dx term is here and dy by dx term is here. From there we will take common. So here what left? So root 1 minus x square. So root 1 minus x square. Here is minus, so that's why we have written minus. Xy, 2 cancel. So xy divided by root 1 minus y square. And other side, what left? Without dy by dx, one term here and one term here, which we have written here. Then dy by dx, simplify here, dy by dx, root 1 minus y square is the LCM. Suppose here denominator is 1. So take LCM, 1 minus y square root, and then simplify here this into this. So denominator, numerator multiply root 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square, minus the, since denominator and LCM is same, so only numerator will be there xy. Same thing here also, we can simplify here. If denominator is nothing, we can consider 1. And then take LCM, root 1 minus x square root, and then xy minus under root 1 minus x square minus 1 minus y square. Then dy by dx is equal to this part, we can send other side. So other side, if it is, as you know, numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. So 1 minus y square will be numerator, it is up, and this part is down. So when we simplify, when you can see here, this part and this part same. Only thing is that xy minus xy here, xy minus this, here is this minus xy. So minus term, if you take common, then this will be first, this will be second. That's why minus 1 I have written, and then it will be same and we can cancel it. Here root 1 minus y square and root 1 minus x square, this will be left. So square root as a whole you can write here, square root whole 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square in single root. Single radical also you can use, or you can keep like that, that also is correct. Now let us discuss question number 16. Question number 16 is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square is equal to c square. Verify. Dy by dx into dx by dy is equal to 1. It is little bit different type. So here, so far you have found dy by dx, but here dx by dy. So we will differentiate. First differentiate with respect to x, second differentiate with respect to y. So when you differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx as a whole subject, dy by dx. When the same question again we will differentiate with respect to y, you will get dx by dy, and finally we will get. So here differentiate with respect to x. How will get? So twice ax, differentiate with respect to x. So twice ax plus here again you can see here uv form. xy uv form. So twice h common, then x first term constant, derivative of second term divided by dx plus second term constant, derivative of x first term is 1. So y1 plus here by square. So twice by divided by dx. When after doing this one, when you make it divided by dx, finally we are getting divided by dx is equal to minus ax plus by divided by hx plus by. When we get divided by dx, same way we can do now question derive with respect to y. So when we derive with respect to y, so you will get 2ax dx by dy, 2ax dx by dy plus twice x common, again xy, derivative of xy, what will get? First term constant x, derivative of y is 1 because derivation with respect to y, so it will get divided by dy 1. So plus y is constant, derivative of x you will get dx by dy plus 2by1, 2by divided by dy, so 1. Now we will get, when we simplify dx by dy, you are getting minus by plus hx divided by ax plus by. Just you compare equation 1 and equation 2, just reciprocal. Here is dy by dx, ax plus b hy by hx plus by, and here is by plus hx, ax plus hy. So when you multiply these two, dy by dx into dx by dx and dx by dy, so all will be cancelled and you will get 1, and that you have to prove. Here we can say prove. कितना मिनट हुआ?